Are you looking for some amazing health hacks that can change your life? Look no further. We've got you covered with some unbelievable tips and tricks that you need to know about. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more insightful health videos. Let's start with hydration. Did you know that drinking a glass of warm water with lemon in the morning can boost your metabolism and kickstart your digestive system? It's a simple and effective way to start your day on the right foot. Next up, we have the power of meditation. Taking just 10 minutes out of your day to practice mindfulness can reduce stress, improve focus, and promote overall well-being. It's a small investment of time that can yield big results. Moving on to nutrition. Have you ever tried incorporating more leafy greens into your diet? They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can help boost your immune system and improve your overall health. And finally, don't underestimate the importance of getting enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality rest each night to allow your body to recharge and repair. Sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy mind and body. So there you have it, some incredible health hacks that can make a real difference in your life. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and see the positive impact it can have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Healthmanity. We help individuals achieve better health and wellness through expert, verified, easy-to-understand health tips.